Can't read the market? Not enough indicators? Can't find the data? HTX K-Line Charts are fully upgraded. Added professional technical indicators, customizable indicator styles, and pro-grade data at your fingertips, so every trading decision is backed by data. Brand new indicator upgrade, added support, resistance lines, and AVL technical indicators, covering more market analysis scenarios. Professional indicators, customizable at will. Quickly view candlestick indicators and switch them on one screen. No cumbersome operations required. Each indicator supports customization, allowing you to create a personalized chart style that is uniquely yours. Added token pair profiles and trading data. Includes basic information, trading parameters, funding rate history, and index price. Trading volume and open interest, top trader long-short ratio, capital flows, and more, all in one place, so you can trade with confidence. The Market K-Line has been fully upgraded, making professional analysis easily accessible. Open the HTX app now, go to the Markets page, and experience the new indicators and data features.